Hiya, join us at the Morgan factory. It's going to be amazing. Pete and I are off to the Morgan factory to see how the cars are actually made. It's going to be amazing. Yeah, come and join me. See you there. Actually made. It's going to be amazing. Yeah, come and join me. See you there. Look at this. Just going into the Morgan experience. It takes at least 206 hours of applied rare skills to handcraft every unique Morgan. And this is how they start, with the chassis. Skilled technicians hand assemble a lightweight bonded aluminium chassis. This rolling chassis is then fitted with its engine, gearbox and suspension, including the iconic sliding pillar front suspension that's been a Morgan staple for over a century. And here you can see the various Morgans with their suspension fitted, gearbox, engine, everything ready to move on to the next stage. Absolutely amazing to see this. It really was. Next we move to the heart of the Morgan tradition, the wood shop. Morgan is the only manufacturer in the world still using a handcrafted ash wood frame. They use English ash because it's lightweight, durable and flexible. The Craftmaster woodworkers use templates to cut 48 individual pieces of wood, which are then biscuit jointed, glued and clamped into the car's distinctive skeleton. The frame isn't just for show, it provides essential vibration dampening and acts as the form for the body panels, which are the next thing that you see being put on. This is the Super Sport, and then we have the Plus 4. It's just incredible to see this piece of art, it really is.
When you hand build cars, it's always a little bit of a challenge. To build the chassis for that.
In the tin shop, the car starts to take its iconic shape. Artisans take sheets of lightweight aluminium and literally hammer and bend them by hand over the ash frame. Edges are rolled and the cooling vents are hand stamped into the bonnet.
First thing we do is we draw a red line down it. The red line tells us where the central fault comes from the back. Come down on the blind. roll the aluminium panel through, we lower the top roller, which forces the aluminium to go round it. So you've got two people that do this. One of them rolls the aluminium panel in, and one of them lowers the top roller. So lower the roller, raise the roller on both ends. So timing is critical.
Because every ash frame is slightly different, each body panel is custom fitted to that specific car. And honestly, seeing these, it really is just incredible how these cars are made. They're fantastic. Once the metalwork is smooth, the car heads to paint. Now, Morgan doesn't just have a colour list, they can match almost any shade. From a favourite tie to a piece of jewellery, using a meticulously applied 3-stage painting process. These are just a few of the colours that you could choose to have your Morgan painted in. Now for the interior. In the trim shop, high quality leather hides are hand marked using a wooden template. They're cut and they're stitched. It takes over 30 hours just to upholster a single cockpit. Even the mohair hoods are individually tailored to fit each car's unique frame. Finally, after approximately 3 weeks of labour, the car is complete. But it doesn't leave Malvern until it passes a vigorous road test on the Worcestershire roads to check for every rattle and gauge. This is 21st century coach building, a perfect blend of modern performance and timeless hand craftsmanship, made in Malvern.
Matte body, glossy rings.